guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can upgrade your videos using this text effect. So go to text and add in your default text. I'm just going to type in the word retro, and I'm also going to find like a retro looking font like so. You don't have to, but I'm just going to. Then you are going to select the color, like the first color of the font that you want the text to be in. I'm just going to select let's say like this blue. I'm just gonna want to copy and paste that on, and on the like one here you're going to like add in like a stroke, like an outline. Then you're going to want to add in your second color, maybe like a darker color like that, and you can adjust the thickness here. Then you're just going to copy and paste that. Then you're going to put it like at the very first track. And then you're going to adjust the thickness of it a little bit more. And then you're going to select another color, like maybe like a darker color like that. And you can just keep going if you'd like to, or stop here. It is totally up to you. I'm just going to select everything, and actually I might add one more. So again, go to stroke and then select thickness, and then I'm just going to make it, whoops, a little bit darker than that. Let me adjust this like that. Select everything, right click, create compound clip, so it's easier for you to move around. And you can add in like a background if you'd like to, or like add it on top of a video. And that is it, super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!